God for this opportunity. And thank you very much to all members, senior and junior, and to the visitors. Thank you for coming. To the other team of martial arts, Mr. Domans, thank you for joining here. It's and welcome back sa ating senior higher belt, si Mr. Abel. Siguro ngayon nyo lang nakita dahil galing bakasyon yan sa mga kids. Si Mr. Abel Maringla from Pampanga. Siya po ay pioneer member ng Marcado since 2013 sa Mabola. At si Lemuel Pastora, sila po